is, 5.0. He's looking at me like, who's this guy? Who is this guy? The moderns don't know me very much, but it's okay. I'm all right with that. There it is, 5.0, representing, nice and white, which is exactly what I want. This is the car I want right here. And I want to decal it out and go crazy. But he's got it, and I don't. It's okay. It only takes time. It's all in the details, guys. It's all in the details. Eh? Oh, he's showing up the lights now. It's leaving.
Just happened, and they're like $80 a piece.
Oh, is it actually
per
broken?
side? I guess it's just.
That makes you my production assistant.
There we go.
Rich just tapped on my face and then
Quit blinding us.
sorry, and then tapped on my focus. Anyway,
Hey, your Mustangs are going by again.
I know. This might be the last time I shoot nighttime video because I'm not real happy about the focus. If you guys hate it and you're mad at me for being out of focus, I understand. I got higher standards than that. But I'm dealing with what I got, and it's called bad lighting.
And he's backing in right here.
Here comes another Mustang. That guy's got to stop making that banging noise. It's annoying. All right.
And he's got a reverse light out.
We should tell him. I'm sure he'll love to hear that. Let's go. Oh, this 6 is killing me with the focus, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. iPhone 6 Plus is struggling in the dark. All right, I love apples. I do. I'll always be an Apple fan. Don't get me wrong, but his 10 is kicking my butt. And you guys are feeling the pain too because it's out of focus, but we're doing a bit. He's got a 10. This guy over here's got a 10. He's got a 10. Oh, shadow on my face. Oh, I am doing some amateur stuff tonight. But I've got a 6 Plus. All right, on the hunt for more Mustangs. Here we go. All right, look at this. Look at the speakers on this thing. Look at this. Look at the tires. And let's go over here and just see. He wants to see something. Look at the back. Look at the dash. This is just going off on custom, my friends. The paint is like it's got a fleck in it. Oh! Look at that! Wow. 8 plus?
Yeah, that actually looks pretty good
Can I
too.
put you on video?
What's that?
Can I put you on video?
For what?
It's a show called MustangMedic. He's got an 8 plus. I'm a little jealous. All right, I just have to put you on video. Here you go. I just want to give you guys a closer look at that lighting. This is the car that went by that was completely blurry that I couldn't focus on. This is the details. And this guy has gone off on the details. Look at this interior. Look at this. This thing's totally custom. These are crazy. Oh, and he's lifting up. He's got airbags.